Hi everyone, my name is Natalie and I chose to do my speech on should children of illegal immigrants be allowed to attend public schools? I chose this topic because I believe everyone should be allowed to attend school no matter what ethnicity, race, cultural background anyone has. It is estimated that more than 50% of legal children were birthed from once an illegal immigrant parent, which I believe should be a controversial topic. Children of illegal immigrants should be allowed to attend public schools like anyone else, because it is against the law to prohibit any child from attending school. It is discriminatory and is counterproductive for the economy. Tyler vs. Doe is a law that gives the right to immigrant children to attend school, starting in kindergarten through 12th grade. Children of undocumented workers do not choose the conditions under which they enter the U.S. They should not be punished for circumstances they do not control. Children have the right to learn and be useful members of society. Administrators who decide to throw immigration laws at students for discriminatory reasons don't achieve anything productive, but they deny students civil rights in victimizing innocent children. Research has proven that for every $1 spent on the education of children, at least $9 is returned. If these children were to attend public schools like everyone else, it would have negative impact towards our country. Denying children to attend schools is counterproductive to the economy. Denying children access to education does not eliminate illegal immigration. Instead, it ensures the creation of an underclass. Without public education for children, illiteracy rates will increase and opportunities for workforce and community participation will decrease. Research has proven that for every $1 spent on the education of children, at least $9 is returned back to the economy. It is not only beneficial for children to attend school, but for everyone as well. This way the economy can increase and offer opportunities in getting a job, and community participation can be stable or increased. These students given the opportunity to receive education have higher chances in succeeding in life. Research shows that individuals who graduate and have access to quality education throughout primary and secondary school are more likely to find gainful employment, have stable families, and be active and productive citizens. This is another benefit to the economy as well when all students get the chance for an education. I will be sharing with you a story of Samuel. He was given the opportunity of an education when his family arrived at the U.S. and they all established here. 15 years ago, Samuel Cervantes and his family left their home in Monterrey, Mexico, to pursue what his parents called las oportunidades del otro lado, translated in English, opportunities on the other side. To make ends meet, his dad worked long hours at a job far from home, yet his salary wasn't enough to support an entire family. So Cervantes' parents sold their belongings and moved to the States with a small stash of pocket money to build a better life. Now a junior majoring in government and communication studies, Cervantes is fulfilling his parents' dreams, taking advantage of all the opportunities the other side has to offer. Without an opportunity of an education for Samuel, he wouldn't have been able to succeed and make his dreams and also his parents' dreams come true. Him and his family was given the opportunity to create a better future for himself by being guaranteed education. If all children around the world are given the same opportunity, just like Samuel, it can make many more life changes and happy ending for all children around the world. According to Playa v. Doe, public schools may not deny admission to a student during initial enrollment or at any other time on the basis of undocumented statuses, treat a student differently to determine residency, engage in any practice to chill the right of access to school, require students or parents to disclose or document their immigration status, make inquiries of students or parents needed to expose their undocumented status, or require social security numbers from all students, as this may expose undocumented statuses. If treating a student unfairly because of demographic backgrounds, this can be seen as discriminatory. Many consider preoccupation with the immigration status of children of undocumented workers to be a form of discrimination and racism. It is not right to consider this kind of behavior in front of other students and faculty members because it influences others to behave in the same way. It is the right of everyone to access their rights and the right to receive free education from kindergarten to 12th grade. Public schools cannot deny admission to a student during initial enrollment or any other time on the basis of undocumented statuses. Treat a student differently to determine residency. In conclusion, every student should be treated fairly and by law allowed to attend school from K to 12th grade. This gives all students opportunities to achieve a successful career in their life when parents unfortunately did not have the right to. And this way it can avoid any discriminatory ways.